Hi friends, welcome to Ink Bottle channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா சிவிக்ஸ் லெசன்லேருந்து யூனிட் 1 ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் கவர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் டெமோக்ரஸி லெசன்லேருந்து 1 மார்க்ஸ் அண்ட் 2 மார்க்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். First choose the correct answer. அதுலேயும் first a system of government in which one person reigns supreme, usually a king or queen, is called. Answer B, monarchy. Second, system of government with absolute power. Answer D, autocracy. Third, form solvent union is an example for. Answer C, oligarchy. Fourth, select the odd one. Answer D, Vatican. Fifth, Abraham Lincoln was the president of the dash. Answer USA. Third, Kudavolai system was followed by. Answer C, Cholas. Seventh, direct democracy in olden times existed. Answer C, in the city-state of ancient Greece. Eighth, from which language was term democracy derived? Answer A, Greek. Ninth, in democracy, the final authority resides with. Answer B, the people. 10th, which one of the country has president form of government? Answer D, USA. 11th, the largest democracy country in the world is. Answer B, India. 12th, accession. Direct democracy is practiced in Switzerland. Reason, people directly participates in decision making. Answer A, both A and R are true and R explains A. 13th, accession. India has parliamentary form of democracy. Reason, Indian parliament comprises two houses. Answer A, both A and R are true and R explains A. 14th, the meaning of franchise is. Answer, right to vote. 15th, the grant of universal franchise creates. Answer C, political equality. 16th one, Prime Minister of India is appointed by. Answer D, President. 17th, the President of India can nominate. Answer C, 12 member of Rajya Sabha. 18th one, the first general election after independence in India were held in. Answer B, 1951 to 1952. இப்போ செகண்ட் ரோமில் இருந்து filling the blanks. First, the Constitution of India was finally adopted on. Answer 26th November 1949. Second, the two types of democracy are. Answer indirect and direct. Third, an example for direct democracy is. Answer Switzerland. Fourth, India has a dash form of democracy. Answer indirect. Fifth, Dash was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Sixth, the first general elections were held in British India in the year. Answer 1920. Seventh, the Parliament House in India was designed by. Answer Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. இப்போ தேர்ட் ரோமனில் இருந்து மேட்ச் தி ஃபாலோயிங். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், autocracy. Second, right to vote. Third, Chanakya. Fourth, theocracy. 18, Arthashastra, Vatican, North Korea. Answer, autocracy is equal to North Korea. Right to vote is equal to 18. Chanakya is equal to Arthashastra. Theocracy is equal to Vatican. இப்போ சிக்ஸ்த் ரோமில் இருந்து give short answers. First, give Abraham Lincoln's definition for democracy. Page number 239 இருக்குது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். Answer, Abraham Lincoln defines democracy as a government of the people, by the people and for the people. இப்போ செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின், மென்ஷன் தி ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் டெமோக்ரஸி. பேஜ் நம்பர் 240 இருக்கு. ஆன்சர் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் டெமோக்ராட்டிக் கவர்மெண்ட் டைட்டில் இருக்கு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் டெமோக்ராட்டிக் கவர்மெண்ட், parliamentary of the government, example India, England. President form of government, and example USA, France. Parliamentary form of government, electorate, legislature, executive. President form of government, electorate, executive, legislature. இப்போ third question, distinguish between direct and indirect democracy. பேஜ் நம்பர் 240 இருந்து 241 வரைக்கும் இருக்குது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். Answer, direct democracy, when the people themselves directly express their will on public affairs. The type of government is called pure or direct democracy. Example ancient Greek city states, Switzerland. Indirect democracy or representative democracy, when the people express their will on public affairs through their elected representatives. The type of government is called indirect or representative government. Example, the privileging system of democracy in India, USA and UK.